fire at will.
Turkey in the field of defense industry. In line with the national technology move, they are looking for groundbreaking talents. For this purpose, they are constantly working with thousands of academic engineers and technicians working in industrial, university, and technoparks. They produce and join forces for a stronger Turkey, for local and national solutions that will eliminate foreign dependencies. They are about to take the lead in the defense industry in Turkey. For use in plug systems with low volume, high energy production, and unwanted, they carried out the NOVA project for the development of nanomaterial PRI techniques with trigger insensitivity properties, more insensitive than conventional meltable explosives, especially TNT alternative local and national possibilities. They developed the LAVA project for the development of a melt-cast insensitive explosive binder for composite solid fuels for use in high-speed solid-fueled rocket missile engines. They developed the catalyst component development Carbos project. The effectiveness level of centralized, herd systems is at its highest. They developed the Sumer project to raise it to the next level and gain new functions. Measurement of factors affecting pilots' cognitive, workload, and artificial intelligence. They developed the Genius 2 project for evaluation, design of unique field programmable, integrated circuit architecture, and they developed the Alperirin project for the nationalization of critical interfaces. They developed the Singos project to detect fake images with artificial intelligence, using additive manufacturing technology, the production method of the future, with innovative materials. They developed the Amethyst project to develop the process for use in hot zone turbine parts of aviation engine ceramic fiber and ceramic matrix. They developed the String project for the development of composite materials, ceramic matrix for use in hot zone turbine parts of aviation engines. They developed the Eutectic project for the development of composite materials, underwater camera for creating high-resolution underwater images. They developed the SAS project to provide synthetic aperture imaging capability. They developed the YIG filter project for high selectivity, filtering of wideband signals for electronic warfare purposes, low phase noise phase locked, and very good frequency stability. Dielectric ray senator oscillator developed the Doctor project for its development, temperature-controlled crystal, oscillator, and surface. They developed the Crystal Oscillator project for the development of acoustic wave oscillators. National weapons systems and ammunition for the defense of their country in the air, on land, and at sea. Critical technologies, materials, and components needed to provide space and cyber technologies. They are producing. They have opened and closed the age in the past. They will do it again. We are sure of this.